Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to connect free VPN in iPhone iOS 26. So I'm just connect free VPN in my iOS 26. So simply I'm just provide full guide. So open your App Store, go to search option, search here to VPN. Press on, then showing you to more apps, but you just select these apps: VPN, fast VPN, super. So you need to just install this VPN. So I'm just already installed this VPN. Press on to open. This VPN totally free and 100% safe, and it's very fast. So select fastest location, showing it to more location. Select on, like select this, select on, and it's automatically connected. So look here, now successfully connect my VPN. No need to pay it. So that's it.